Okay, my name's Leigh Farmer. I work for Virgin Active and I'm a building services technician. If something goes wrong in the building, anything from air conditioning to swimming pools to even basic things like changing light bulbs, that's what we're responsible for. I enjoyed school, but I couldn't wait to get out of school. But then once I'd left school, I realised the importance of doing well at school. I left school at 16 and I was working for a local builder, and that's when I realised that I liked working with my hands. So I worked with a builder for about 2 years, and then I got an opportunity to work for Dorchester Hotel, and then it was working through with them that I got the opportunity to work for a maintenance department. Then that's when I went back to college and started studying plumbing, and then I've been doing it maintenance engineering ever since. A turning point for me was when I was working at Dorchester on the concierge department, desperately trying to become a plumber or trying to get the opportunity to become one. I'd exhausted every avenue, looking through yellow pages, ringing up local companies. So I approached the engineering department in the hope that they could put me in touch with a plumbing company that I hadn't already approached myself. Basically, they said that they was looking for a plumber, and they gave me the opportunity to work with them and also study plumbing at the same time. I worked with the Dorchester for 4 years as a plumber, and then I heard about a job opportunity with Virgin Active, which I applied for, but actually initially got turned down because I was a plumber and I was looking for engineers, but engineers with electrical qualifications, which I didn't have. But it's just through sheer persistence. I was constantly ringing, just asking basically just for an opportunity to meet someone face to face. And then in the end they got fed up with me ringing up, so they said, okay, because you've been so persistent, we're gonna get you in and see what you've got to say. So basically I said to I recognise that I'm not an electrician, but if you give me the job, then I will go to college if you allow me to work around the college time, which they said, yeah, okay, it's fine. So I've been with Virgin for 2 years now, studying the whole time at college. Yeah, Virgin Active have been really, very supportive, because I also study sign language, which I do in my own time, which they've allowed me to do work shifts around it, so I can leave early to study that. My last job, one of the engineers was deaf and just become interested, and when I was studying plumbing I looked into it and I've been studying ever since. I don't really get a lot of leisure time at the moment because work's quite demanding and college is quite demanding as well. There's a lot of studying, so really at the minute I'm just keeping my head down and just most of my spare time is taken up with studying. But I like to travel in my spare time. Now, my parents never put any pressure on me to go in a certain direction. They've always left it up to me to decide what it is I want to do. I think my dad's been a great inspiration to me in my life. He's got a very good work ethic, and I think that's probably where I get mine from. The next step for me would be to become a manager of a club, and then I think in the next 5 years see myself possibly as an area manager or maybe even national maintenance manager.